Oh, it's a cheapy servo. Noisy. It's a little heavier battery than I'm used to flying with, so it'll be funky. The heavy duty 5000. Normally I fly with the 5800s, which are a lot lighter, but that one's not fully charged, so I'll go behind you.
Gear up.
Let's see if it was that passing judgment.
I see it. It's changed it. I know it's locked, and you just barely did anything.
Dude.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yep. Rock solid.
That's ridiculous. That is ridiculous.
That's good. I'm gonna give it to you. That's good. That's good.
Dude.
But I got one too though. If he's watching the video, he'll hear it now. But I'm right here.
Very nice.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Turning. Oh. Man, I was flying.
No pass.
Okay.
And turn. Dude, this is good.
Yeah, it is.
But
It's
stop
way better.
setting?
You didn't change anything.
No, I didn't
Yeah.
touch it.
I don't think you need to either.
No. I mean, I'll have to. I could tune it, but.
Well, why though? It's already good.
Because I don't think the wind. I can see a little bit of wind on it.
That worked out. It is really, really good. Alright, it's just a nice book.
Time remaining 1 minute.
So we'll go, come down a little bit of
Okay. Okay.
And split us.
30 seconds.
Going out.
9, 8, 7,
I'm coming back.
5, 4,
Whoa, what was that?
2, 1. Time expired.
I'm gonna do a positioning pass. Right and then left. I did a right then left turn. I'm coming back down the runway. It's rock solid now, dude.
It is. It is amazing. Alright, landing.
Rock solid.
It is amazing. Should have landed better.
That was good.
Yeah, I'm gonna clear.
1 minute.
If you got Robert, if you're ready to go up, go ahead.
Time
Yeah.
over.
Let me
1
clear the
minute,
runway first,
3
Robert.
seconds.
You'll be good. Go ahead and clear. You can't hear you. I'm gonna do a pass and then go ahead, take off.
Wow.
Hey Robert, I'm landing right behind you.
Butter, baby.
It's like butter on that lobster tail.
That was good.
He won't stop.
No riding dirty, that's flying sexy.
2 minutes over.
Frankie, that was good. That gyro helped big time.
Huge.
Because normally you were all over the place.
Huge.
Normally you'd be, yeah.
That's it.
That's
All of my
impressive.
planes are getting one.
Impressive.
All of them are getting one.
Very impressive.